A chunk of Seattle residents will finally get their trash picked up today after the snowstorm that hit last Monday. The Public Utilities Department says Monday customers who missed last week can put out double their normal amount of garbage, recycling, and yard waste at no additional charge today. They're reminding people that extra garbage can go in a plastic bag, extra recycling can go in a cardboard box or a paper bag, and extra compost can go in a paper bag as well. Personal trash cans, those work too.